Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn. And in today's video, I'll explain you how to request a change in availability using Workday. This is commonly used in workplaces when you want to update your working schedule or availability hours. First of all, log into your Workday account using your employee credentials. Once inside, go to your profile or time-related section depending on your company setup. Look for an option like Request Schedule Change or Availability Request. Click on it to open the form. Now select the date and time you want to change and clearly mention your updated availability. Once you review everything, submit the request. After submission, your manager or HR team will review it and approve or decline the request based on your company policy. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.